Hello traders, the title of the video is Third Elliott Wave Fibonacci Trading Secrets Revealed. Before we continue, hit the subscribe button please. Also hit the notification bell. Good. The Fibonacci retracement, an extension of the third Elliott wave, are as much valuable as those of the first wave. However, most Elliott wave traders only pay attention to the Fibonacci structures of the first wave. It is a negligence that must stop after this video. Why? Well, quite often the Fibonacci structure of the first Elliott wave may not be useful. It makes sense that one uses those of the third Elliott wave, or one can use both the Fibonacci structures of the first and third waves to predetermine what can happen during the whole Elliott wave cycle. For some traders, this may sound like a theory, but this is just the first step that one could not afford to miss. Indeed, an experienced Elliott wave trader can keep a thorough record of the first and third waves, Fibonacci structures, in view to improve market timing during the fifth wave, corrective phase, and higher degree waves formation. One should understand that human beings always leave patterns or signature all along during the formation of Elliott wave pattern or Fibonacci structures. All right. Like the first wave, third Elliott wave Fibonacci retracement, extension, or structures will help an eagle eye wave trader have an edge in these messy financial markets. In the next tutorial, titled Show Me Proof of Power of Third Wave Fibonacci Structure, I will begin to explain in a more practical fashion everything that I've said in this tutorial. That is it. That is it, my friend. If this video has been useful to you, please give us the thumbs up. If you dislike it, mark it down, share it if it opens your Elliott wave traders' eyes. Thank you for watching and happy trading to you all. This is about a third Elliott wave Fibonacci trading secrets revealed.